The biggest reason why your trading win rate sucks is because you're looking at the complete wrong time frames. Now, this morning I traded HX for a more than 50% win in just 3 minutes, and this person here says, why was it obvious? I was watching it, but I thought SIDU was more obvious. What made this one more obvious? Well, SIDU was actually a terrible setup at market open, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Because it's actually why you missed HX. Now, I'm sure you saw how nasty SIDU traded all day. Every time it tried to break out, it was a massive sell-off. Look at this. Tries to break out, grabs liquidity. Tries to break out, massive knife. It could have been easily avoided using my simple top-down strategy. Every setup that I trade has to look amazing on every single time frame. And SIDU looked good on everything but the daily chart, which is where everything begins. Now, going into market open today on SIDU, you knew you had to play it over $2 because that was the pre-market high, and this thing was putting in place this really tight wedge. So the question you've got to ask yourself is, on the break of 2, do we have any room on the daily time frame? And you didn't. So if you look back to the left on the daily time frame, you'll see this massive 3-month area of consolidation, and that is why the setup was so bad. See, the longer price consolidates in a range like this, the more volume we have in that price range, as we can see here using volume profile. And the market moves in the path of least resistance, so if we have resistance to the upside, it's going to struggle to move to the upside. So based on this, I knew we had a ton of volume sitting overhead between 2 and 3. So because of that daily time frame, I knew not to trade a single breakout on this today, and this thing was seriously fake out central, and this is how I prevented it. All you have to do is look back to the left. Does price have clear range to the upside? And if not, no range, no trade. And you would have known that if you were in this morning's live trading stream. So I'll see you there tomorrow.